Our top car insurance picks. There are many excellent car insurance providers in the United States, from big-name brands to emerging companies. These are some of the best auto insurance companies in the country and their advantages. State Farm. State Farm is one of the largest insurers in the country. It has a wide network of exclusive local agents. Premiums are slightly higher on average compared to some other companies, but coverage is often more extensive. State Farm Car Insurance offers numerous discounts that can reduce the cost of adding young drivers to your policy, such as the Good Student Discount and the Steer Clear program. GEICO. GEICO is one of the most affordable car insurance options. Its premiums consistently cost less than average, and it has solutions for drivers with poor credit scores and a history of accidents. Complaints against GEICO are uncommon, so you'll likely feel satisfied with the service. Progressive. Progressive makes connecting with insurance specialists easy. Its website is incredibly intuitive, and its customer service representatives are notably responsive. Its average rates are about the same as State Farm, but it excels in more uncommon forms of insurance, such as motorcycle insurance. Allstate functions as a one-stop shop for most insurance needs, with auto insurance being just one of its many services. Its prices are quite attractive to people with credit problems and teen drivers, and it's known for its easy claims process and high customer service scores. USAA. USAA boasts low prices and excellent coverage, even for drivers with poor credit, teens, or those with a history of at-fault accidents. The only downside is that USAA insurance is only available to military members, veterans, and their families. Area Insurance. Policy Genius named Area Insurance the best overall for its superior customer service, coverage options, and affordable rates for drivers with clean records. It's only available in 12 states, but if you can get it, you'll appreciate add-ons such as new car replacement, rate lock, and roadside assistance. Amica. Amica is known for its excellent customer service and easy claims process. It has a wide range of coverage options and affordable premiums, so long as you keep your driving record clean. Travelers. If you want to customize your policy, consider choosing Travelers. You can personalize your coverage with handy extras such as new car replacement and gap coverage and enjoy affordable rates, especially if you qualify for one of Travelers' many discounts. Auto Owners. Auto Owners offers big discounts to people who bundle their car insurance policy with home insurance. While it's not available in every state, it's one of the rare companies with special classic car coverage. Nationwide. If you work from home or use public transport for your commute, Nationwide could be a good option. It offers a usage-based discount and special Smart Miles car insurance policies for people who drive fewer miles. Despite its name, Nationwide isn't available in Alaska, Hawaii, Louisiana, or Massachusetts. AIG specializes in insuring luxury vehicles, including classic cars. Insurance add-ons, such as new car replacements and cash settlements after crashes, can give you real peace of mind. Impressive customer service ratings suggest it looks after its high-end clientele. Safeco Insurance. Safeco Insurance offers several unique perks that make it a real value for your money. Drivers with clean records could save over time with Safeco's claims-free cashback program, which returns a portion of the premiums that members pay if they haven't made a claim in the last 6 months. Safeco also guarantees the repairs made by mechanics in its guaranteed repair network for the vehicle's life. NJM Insurance Group. NJM Insurance Group offers affordable car insurance premiums, local agents, and high claims satisfaction. From its start in New Jersey, this regional insurer has spread to Connecticut, Maryland, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual has an extensive portfolio of insurance plans, including insurance for the home, renters, small businesses, and pets. It offers substantial discounts for members willing to bundle their policies.